Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Amazing Creation by Srija. Today we will learn the Blossom. Today we will learn the Blossoms, the English textbook for class 8. Underline the participle adjectives in the following sentences. The painted house looks beautiful. A barking dog seldom bites. They submitted a written answer. The tortoise shell was lying on the mud. The creaking sound of the door awakened the baby. Here, the painted, barking, written, tattered, creaking are participle adjectives. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles or prepositions. Once, a poor weaver lived in a village. He was well known as an artist. His beautiful designs of cloth were much appreciated. The weaver earned his livelihood for working hard all day. Known as an artist, his beautiful designs of cloth were much appreciated. The weaver earned his livelihood for working hard all day. Identify the adverbs in each set. Put a tick mark on the adverb. Number 1. Tall, sweetly, children. Here the sweetly. Wait, work, slowly, full. Here the slowly. Happy, friendship, wise, quiet. Here the quietly. Tomorrow, evening, careful look. Here the tomorrow. Make, here, incident, quick. Here is adverb. Classify the underlined adverbs according to their functions in the chart given below. It is a good habit to rise early. He often comes to our house. Nightingale sings sweetly. My pet dog follows me every day. Here is manner is sweetly. Time is often. Place is everywhere. Frequency is early. Okay. Choose the correct alternative from the given verbs given in brackets and fill the blanks. Okay. I am reading a book now. Am reading was reading. Tintin has returned home just now. When we reached the hall, the film had started. The young man boarded the bus while it was moving. The Shatabdi Express had left Puri at scheduled time, yet it failed to reach Howrah at time. Write the positive, comparative and superlative form of the adjectives and fill in the chart given below. Large, larger, largest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Good, better, best. Fill in the blanks with the given adjectives in their proper degree. No other mountain peak is so high as Everest. Darjeeling is cooler than lava. Roshni is the tallest girl in the class. Very few Indian cities are as big as Kolkata. The Rajdhani Express runs faster than most other Indian trains. Fill in the blanks with appropriate models given in the list below. We should help the poor and the needy. May God bless you. You must hurry up or we'll be late. Can there be life on Mars? I will be 13 next month. Activity 7. The words in brackets are homophones. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. There are 2 coconut trees in their garden. Last Sunday, I met Munni at the bus stop. She is my close mate. I wonder why you often wander about in the woods. My mother is too good to walk. The little maid has made this bucket. Solve the crossword puzzle with the help of the given clues. Hobby of collecting stamps. Lately. Study of stars and planets. Astronomy. House where books are kept. Library. A person who makes pots. Potter. Match the words in column A and with their synonyms in column B. Castle. Pot. Rustic, rural, savage, wild, blossom, flower, very tired. Take the screenshot of that. Then you can easily write it, or stop the video and you can write easily. Okay. Here is the make sentences with the words given in column A of the activity 9A. Castle. There are many historical castles in India. Rustic. In drama, she was acting a role of a rustic girl. Savage. Not only their behavior is like savage, but also their title is savage. Blossom. Today, the flowers have blossomed. Vary. She is too wary to do this trip. Add suffix or prefix to the following words to form opposite. Secure, insecure, patient, impatient, hope, hopeless, appear, disappear, bound, boundless. Activity 10. Write a paragraph in about 70 words on the famous writer Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Use the following hints. Born on 12 September 1894, father Mahananda Bandyopadhyay and mother Mrinalini Devi. Early education at Bangan High School, intermediate and graduation from Raipur College, now known as Surendranath College of Kolkata. Worked as headmaster at Jangipara High School and later at Harinavi Anga Sanskrit Institution. Famous novels are Pather Pachali, Aparajita, Aranyak, Devjan, Ichamati, Chandir Pahar, etc. Died on 1st November 1950. I have written a paragraph. Please check out. Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay was a famous writer in West Bengal. He was born on 12 September 1894. His father was Mahananda Bandyopadhyay and his mother was Mrinalini Devi. In his early life, was educated at Bangaon High School. He was intermediate and graduated from Raipur College, but now it is named as Surendranath College of Kolkata. In his career life, he worked as headmaster at Jangipara High School and later in Harinavi Anga Sanskrit Institution. Some of the famous novels are Pather Pachali, Aparajita, Aranyak, Devjan, Ichamati, Chandir Pahar, etc. He was died on 1st November 1950, but he is still in our hearts. I have written 104 words, but you can less my words and rewrite the paragraph that you want. Okay? Today I have finished. But next day, we will learn more facts about the blossoms. For that time, please subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon beside it to get the next notification and like my videos. Bye bye, have a nice day.